Hello traders. In today's video, we are exploring the Nen Star harmonic pattern. This is an advanced 5-point structure with specific Fibonacci ratio requirements that set it apart from other harmonic formations. At this point, I'll load the harmonic indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so here we have it. On the chart, the Nen Star forms a 5-point pattern labeled X, A, B, C, and D. Each leg must satisfy specific Fibonacci relationships. The pattern has a distinctive shape with particular emphasis on the ratio of the BC and CD legs. When all ratio criteria are met, the pattern completes at point D, which harmonic traders observe as a potential area of interest for price reaction. As for the key concept settings, identifying the Nen Star manually requires Fibonacci measurement tools to verify that each leg meets the pattern's ratio criteria. Automated harmonic scanners may have settings for ratio tolerance and minimum swing size. The strict requirements mean this pattern appears less frequently than simpler formations. Who is it for? This pattern is suited for traders with experience in harmonic analysis. It is an analytical concept only and does not execute trades. The Nen Star strict ratio requirements make it relatively rare, and when it does appear, the expected reaction at point D is not guaranteed. Always use additional confluence factors and proper risk management. If you'd like to download this tool or learn more, I've included the link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.